Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to this episode of Life and Spice with Gifts. If you're new here, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Please like and follow and share, and God bless you. So, today I'll be showing you guys the easiest way to make delicious fried rice. Delicious fried rice. So we start by marinating our chicken with fresh pepper, seasoning and salt and curry. Then we'll transfer it into a pot, add the little onions and allow it to cook. So when the chicken is ready, we're going to separate the chicken from the stock, which is what I'm doing right now. So to start preparing the rice, we are going to heat up a little oil. So we'll stir the pot for a little bit until the rice gets a bit dry. It's not going to be for long, for just like, let's say, 3 minutes or thereabouts. And then next we're adding our chicken stock. After adding the chicken stock, we'll stir and stir and stir. But obviously we can see that the chicken stock is not enough to cook the rice to get done. So we're going to add a little bit of water. Not too much, just a little bit, so that the rice doesn't get all mushy. So we're just going to add a little bit of water that will be able to cook the rice until it's soft. Okay. Next, we're going to cover our pot. Okay, we're going to add curry and spice and allow the rice cook. Okay, so I'll be transferring the stir-fried veggies into the pot of rice. There you go. And then we'll have to stir everything together properly so that the veggies and the rice can properly mix. So we'll stir and stir. And our fried rice is basically ready. We'll just cover the pots. Yeah, and there you go. Fried rice ready. So we're air frying our chicken. Yes. See how yummy it looks. Okay, we are dishing out and ready to eat. So, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you learned something. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please like, share, and subscribe.